Welcome to in front of me HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another application. And as can you see, by this way we can create a new folder, and by the same way we can add here the one more application if you want. And also we can add here more applications by click here once on this plus icon. As you can see, we got here selected the 3 applications from the 108. For example, we can add here 3 more apps, just then click here to OK, and by this way you can add here more applications. If you want to remove some applications from here, by the same way you can just click here once again of these applications, and as can you see, we'll just stay here only with these 3 apps, or also we can just hold for a while the app and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application or the home screen. Also, we can rename the folder, just click here once on the name and for example enter the apps, click here to OK. By this way we can rename this folder, and if you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it for a while and drag it for example here, or also we can create a new screen with our device folder. Why I can do that? Okay, yeah, by this way we can just hold for a while and drag it here, for example, to move the folders between the screens. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.